Hey guys, welcome back to the Python tutorial series. I'm Sparsh and you're watching the Coding Corner. In the previous video, we installed Python onto our machine and now we are finally diving into this interesting programming language. Alright, before we get into functional programming or object-oriented programming, we need to discuss some basics. So, in this video, we'll be discussing about numbers. I'm sure you guys know what a number is. Now, there are two types of numbers. One is integer and the other is floating point. Now, let's have a look at integers. To get an instance of a number, just type the number in the IDE or console and it will appear. We can perform mathematical operations with numbers in Python. Let's say 4 plus 6. Here, we have the results instantly. Now, if we wrap our numbers in quotations, let's say 4 plus 6. What will be the result? You might say it will be 10, but no, the result will be 46. Now, you may wonder 4 plus 6 is not 46. Yeah, you're right. It is not 46 in maths. However, if we wrap our numbers in quotations, Python will consider it as a string. So, here our numbers were considered as a string and Python just combined both the strings and not actually add the two numbers. We'll learn about strings in the next video. Just remember, if you're performing mathematical operations, don't wrap numbers in quotations. Now, coming to floating points. Floating points are nothing but numbers with decimal points. Let's perform some mathematical operations with floating points. Let's say 5.6 multiplied by 6.3. Here, we have the result. Now, let's say 5.5 plus 4.5. It's still gonna return a floating point because we have passed the floating points in input. Now, let's talk about converting one type into another type. Now, let's say I have numbers wrapped in quotations and I still want to perform mathematical operations with them. In Python, there's an inbuilt function called int. It converts string into integer if that string contains only numbers. Now, let's have a look at the correct and incorrect usage and their outputs. I wrapped number 5 in quotations and then I wrapped it in integer function, just like this. And then I'll mathematically add it to another number, let's say 8, defined in the same way. Now, it won't return 58, but actually 13. Let's try converting text into integer. Now, let's say int hello. Okay, we got an error here. This error means that we have passed in something that is not an integer. Now, let's just type hello. Python will get freaked out because it doesn't know what hello is, because it will be treated not as a string but as a computer code. We'll cover strings in the next video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. If you have any doubts, feel free to DM us on our Instagram or on our Discord server. We'll surely help you. Alright, that was it. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and happy coding.